about acotar. Sam is officially a slug sort of thing. Good evening, everybody. Welcome back. It feels really weird to be starting this in the evening. It doesn't quite feel correct. I fancied chatting away to someone, and I thought I would start this evening. Firstly, show off my new pyjamas. They have little bits of fruit on them, and I'm obsessed. I was saying to my parents, I finally feel like a woman with some pyjamas. I feel so put together when I wear them. I am home alone. I thought I would just start this little weekend vlog today. It's currently Saturday evening. Sam is at work. I would talk to you guys about acotar. I have about 50 pages left, I think. Guys, it's getting good. It has taken me a long while to properly get into this, to be honest. It took me a long time to get the hype. Slowly but surely, it all began to come together, I guess. I've been listening to it via audiobook plus Kindle, so it's been kind of getting me a bit further through it because I'm quite a slow reader. I don't want to be stuck on a book forever because then I get annoyed by it. Even if it's a good book, it just gets annoying being stuck on it for so long. For the next however long, skip to this point if you don't want any spoilers. But I haven't got to the end yet, so there's still spoilers that I could be spoiled. I don't know everything yet. I am obsessed with Tamlin and Feyre. And I don't even know if this is the end-all be-all romance, because obviously there's quite a few books, and I don't know where any of this stays throughout. This is my first proper fantasy book. I'm enjoying it. But they were talking about fairies and high lords, and I was like, is this gonna be for me? I don't know. Slowly but surely, as I got further through it, properly delve into the world and expand it a little bit, it got good. I don't know how it's gonna end. I'm currently quite a big point. I'm not sure how it's gonna end. I'm a little bit scared. But I'll let you know when I get to the end of the first book. This is the first book, and I know I'm so late to this whole acotar thing. I thought I would give my little take on it. And also, if you are a new reader or you're someone who wants to get into reading, buy yourself a Kindle. I think in my head I'm on my phone at night, or it just makes it easier, and it's always on me. I have this in my bag and it's perfect, and I have made it look really pretty, so that does help. If you've just skipped through all of that, welcome back. I didn't actually really spoil anything, I don't think. The rest of the evening, it's actually quite late, I think, about almost 10 o'clock, so actually pretty late. I've showered, I've gotten ready, skincare done. I am just gonna read for the rest of the night, I think. My eye bags, oh my god, not okay. I don't even know if I've been in focus this whole time. See you guys tomorrow when I'm probably less chatty. I don't know what's really gone on today to get me so chatty. Have I shown you my sunset lamp as well? I'm gonna show you my sunset lamp. Look how cute it is. That is not the time, by the way. That's just I don't even know what that is. Bought it on Amazon, I think. And you can change the colour. Was it a sunrise alarm? I can't actually get to work as a sunrise alarm. But enough little chit chat. I shall see you guys. What? I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye. We've got Bonnie in the back.
Bossy booby head.
Bossy booby head in the front. Slug in the driver's seat.
Slug.
Sam is officially a slug. It is probably quite loud. A fair few days later since I last spoke to you. But we're on an adventure. I was at work this morning. I had a 5-hour shift. And now we're off. Take this thing for a little walk.
Thing, that's mean.
This little thing.
No.
This little cute dog.
No, you've said it though, you can't have feelings. That's why she loves me now.
And then I think we're here for, classic. We go classic. We're gonna go for coffee, pizza. I think, from somewhere. Not sure where. Pizza. We pre-ordered a pizza from this little van that drives around the island. I thought I would just continue the vlog today because it's a nice summer's day. Can't see the sun, but it's nice. lunchtime. Got a beer to the left.
Yeah. Oh,
It'll
wow.
be fun.
Either Man United or Spurs will end the season with a trophy and
We're out on a walk. We arrived. Oh, Bonnie's on her third bathroom break of the trip, and we're now only been out for 2 minutes. It's stunning out here. Beautiful. Stepping in cow pit. Sam is currently picking up a piece of shit. Living the dream. Spot Bonnie.
Flipping hell.
I'm gonna try doing a cartwheel.
She's 8 years old.
I just, they got one of those little like beach. Do you remember them?
Yeah.
Well, I just,
Can you leave me alone?
an overwhelming urge to a cartwheel. So
Bonnie's so excited for this cartwheel. Go on, do it. What the hell? Wow. Definitely not an ick.
you do a cartwheel. No. Bonnie's found the longest towel. Bonnie, it's not gonna fit. Cheesy chips. I'm still very pale. We was able to kill like, how long were we there? 3 hours, 2 hours.
2 and a bit hours, yeah.
2 and a bit hours in the pub, and now we're off to go get pizza, which we've like pre-ordered for like 5:15. That's why we were trying to kill time. And it's so pretty.
Very pretty.
How are your cheesy
Not
chips?
as pretty as you.
Aww.
They were lovely, to be fair. They layer of cheese everywhere. Every chip
Well
was cheesy.
coated cheesy chips. Bonnie is absolutely knackered, but I'm very excited for pizza. Pizza time! Ching ching.
Yes.
I'm glad we got margarita. It is good. Hey guys, so it's a couple days later, but I just got my nails done. Look how cute they are. I've not had my nails done in so long. I was missing it, and they're like little aura, very spring-esque, which I'm very excited about. But I thought before I end this video, excuse me, I've got a very croaky voice today. I thought I would unbox something very exciting with you guys. I bought myself an aura ring. I've been wanting one for about, God, ages. Since they kind of came on the scene. I'm so excited. I got the gold Horizon in size 7. What? Oh, she's stunning. Fingers crossed it fits. But I've been wanting one for a while because it fits, okay. Ooh. I got my nails done specifically. Let's see what else they've got in here. I'm a bit worried that it's already been opened, but it seems like everything's in here. But I really like the fact that it like tracks your sleep and whatnot. I don't know if it's turned on though. I don't know how it works. I really have no idea. Little charger. So I just download the app and charge it, and then I will. But I like, and it fits. It's like possibly too small, but it doesn't slide off, which I think if you pay the amount of money that you pay for an aura ring, you don't want it falling off. Yeah.